Hi, my name's Darren, and this is my damn kitchen. And it's been brought to my attention that my coffee looked really good in one of my videos, and someone wanted me to explain how I make such an amazing, hip cup of coffee. So let's go through it. I've often been described as a person that doesn't have much emotion, that it's hard for them to believe that I get excitable because I look like I'm moments away from slipping into a coma. But coffee excites me, and I'm glad that it excited you as well. So, time for me to show you how to make my super hip, super manly cup of coffee. We start off with my amazing Bald Eagle cup, straight from the dish drying rack, because if you drink coffee out of a dirty coffee cup, you're a filthy goddamn boomer. You want to get yourself pure granulated sugar. And a measuring scoop. I have this one from the Dollar Tree. It goes up to 2 cups. That should just about do it. Perfect. Now that there's no more room in my coffee cup for coffee, we'll put a little bit of it back. That'll do. That'll do. Then I go over to my amazing Mr. Coffee coffee pot with piping hot coffee. It'll never let you down. You can use whatever brand of coffee you like, but I'm using Starbucks Sumatra, and it's all individually sourced. You'll notice the nice percolating motion as the coffee filters itself through the diabetes. You may want to get a stir. Now that you have amalgamated the coffee and the sugar, it's time for the next ingredient. As you can see, I like to use powdered creamer. I don't have enough room in my refrigerator for the creamer that I consume on a daily basis, so I go with the powdered kind. Let's give it a stir. It looks like the coffee wasn't as fresh as I thought it was. Let's pop this in the microwave so that it can melt the creamer. Now that the coffee is hotter than Hiroshima in 1944, we need to cool it down so that we can drink it. Getting yourself a high quality ice cream will make your high quality cup of coffee even more high quality. It doesn't matter what flavor you use because it will be delicious. Oh, that's good. That's a good cup of coffee. Thank you for watching. Join me next time on the damn garage.